Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let us try these few questions given in our workbook, page 281. Okay, I intend to do them together with you. Refer to your workbook, we will do it together. Starting with question number 1. So question number 1, we're going to use a method of separating variable provided that you can actually separate the y and the x. Okay, so make sure that your dx is on the numerator part. Okay, the dx on the numerator. Here we can rearranging it. Okay, nice. So we can use the method of separating variables. And then we are to integrate over here. In order to integrate this portion, okay, we need to integrate both sides like that. To integrate this portion, can we do it straight away? Cannot. We need to separate the variable. So you see that we need to separate it. X over 2x, we get half. We integrate, and then here we have integral of 1 on dx. Right. Let me give you about less than 3 minutes. Okay, everybody pause the video and integrate all. So we compare work. For this portion, we have to use a simple use substitution. Make sure that you show it. Okay, hence we get half du. Okay, so this is u and this is half du for the y. So we integrate this portion. It is non-u. Right. As for this portion, half is a constant. You can nicely put it up front. So integrating 1 dx is x, integrating 1 on x dx is ln x, and don't forget your constant of integrand. And here we have half, which you can nicely cancel out the constant, multiply 2 on all sides. C is a constant, don't put down 2c, but just mention it as c. Okay, I call it c naught, right? Okay, so we get that. You cannot leave your answer like that, make sure you solve it further. So continue to get this, we need to use the property of a log. Okay, introduce e, okay, e, both sides. So e power ln this is this itself. Okay, we're using the law of the log. The log e power ln x is x itself. So the e power ln of this absolute is the absolute value itself. As for this portion, e power, and we can use the exponential law. Okay, e power a plus b, e power a plus b is e power a multiply e power b. Okay, law of our exponent from our high school. So we can separate them. This is actually, again, okay, using this property is x. This is a constant, let's call it c or c naught, whatever it is. In your book, they call it, mention it as a. Okay, you can mention it as a, no problem. So you can call it as a instead of c, no problem. So hence, as we rearranging it, so this is ax e power c, and we get that y value. So that is the working. So for a question like this, where do the mark distribute? Okay, first you have to separate the variable m1, and then you are trying to integrate. Make sure that you show all the working. Okay, maybe it's this thing, a1 or maybe m1. Okay, integrate all and correctly. And then to get to your y, we need to introduce e both sides, m1, and simplify our work to the end. So this question can carry 5 marks. Alright? Okay, that is question number 1. Okay, thank you.